How to set a password on your HP laptop. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up passwords on your Windows 11 computer. Now all you need to do is go and open up the Start menu and then you can click on Settings. In this left-hand navigation, you'll see Accounts. Go and click on this. You can then scroll down and click on Sign In Options. And then you'll need to scroll down to this option here and it will say for improved security, only allow Windows accounts on this device. Make sure to go and turn this off. Now once you've done this, you'll need to go and close out of this window. You can then open back up the Start menu and click on Settings once again. You can then click on Accounts in the left hand side, scroll down and click on Sign In Options, and underneath Ways to Sign In, you'll now see Password. You can go and click on this. You can then click on Change, and then you can set up a password for your HP laptop. Now if you have a PIN code set up, you may also want to remove this as well, and you can do that by clicking PIN, and you can click on Remove this as a sign-in option. So that's how to set a password on your HP laptop. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.